Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I have a Joann's haul and a couple of things from a thrift store that I found. So to start off, they had all their paper crafting things that were 50% off, I believe, and so they got in more of their double-sided tearing tape from the Ms. Sparkle & Co. So I picked up 2 rolls of that. I also picked up Tim Holtz hinge clips, and I think these were 40% off, the Tim Holtz supplies. So I haven't purchased any of these, but I just think these would look great in some vintage junk journals. I also am getting ready to do some botanical journals for my Etsy shop, so I picked up the Tim Holtz wallflower, and this is just a really pretty botanical themed paper pad, and it's double-sided. Super pretty. And I found Joann's has a bunch of new single sheet paper that is by American Crafts, and it was on sale, I believe, 12 for $2. So I have some journals that I'm planning to do, so I found some papers that I thought would go well with that. So I'm planning to do some 4th of July journals, and so they had this really cute paper collection. Here are some like cut aparts, and then they have a coordinating little firework sheet that goes with it, and then here's some stars there. And then the last one was this stripe that had all the different patterns. So I thought those were really pretty. And then I'm going to be doing a couple or some outdoor journals for some friends. And so I found this really cute woodland paper, and then this that is like a craft with some polka dots on it. I just thought it would go with that really well. And then here is a camping, backpacking sort of paper there. And then the last sheet is this take a hike, wild and free, adventure awaits, let's get lost, sending you sunshine, and the mountains are calling and I must go. So I thought those were really cute. And then the 2 things that I found at the thrift store, I found this ginormous bag of lace. This bag is almost 2 feet long and a foot wide, and it has a ton of different lace in it. So I think I'm set for lace for a long time. So I haven't even I opened it up, but I haven't pulled it all out to see. So there's some black, some pink. Here is some cream, small piece of this yellow. It's really pretty. Here is a little rose color, some white. This is really pretty. It's kind of a green with a floral pattern on it. And then there is another pattern on here that has flowers on it. And then there is some pink and white that has hearts on it. Huge thing of this pink. And then some cream. Here's an eyelet white. More cream, some white there. Here's a really pretty blue. A baby blue there. There's some black and some more white. It's like a piece of lace fabric. And here's some cream color. Here's some pink and brown with dots on it, or cream with dots, brown dots, and then some white, and then some more white, and this is like half of a doily that's been starched. It's really stiff. And here's some pink ribbon and some gold and white, and then three more whites there. Here's a huge thing of some dusty rose lace. And then the last little board here has some big white at the top, some cream there, this floral yellow, and then a polka dot yellow, and then a cream. So tons of really pretty laces that I can use in my junk journals. And there's so much of this, I may just list some of this in my Etsy shop. So, and then the last thing I found, and I thought this was really cool, and I think this is something I'm going to give to my daughter, but it is a vintage Mickey Mouse comic book. It's hardbound. The book itself isn't vintage, but it was printed in 2011, but it has a bunch of the old comics in it. So I just thought that was really, really cute. And my daughter is a huge Disney Mickey Mouse fan, so I think I may give this to her. So I thought that was so cute. Alright, so if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe, and I will see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.